Hello. Okay, we need to talk about how to divide rational expressions. So this should be on your guided notes, and we're going to put it right under multiplication. So it's actually like really straightforward. So let's talk about real quick what it looks like when we divide just plain old fractions, like think middle school. Like if we had like 2 over 5 and you multiply that by, like 4/10. Nope, sorry. You're dividing that by 4/10. What we learned is to flip and switch. So when I say flip and switch, we're going to take our 2/5. The first fraction stays the same. We're going to flip the second fraction upside down and switch to multiplication. And then from there, we're just doing multiplication, which we know how to do, which is 20 over, oh, look at that, 20, which is 1. Amazing. Okay, so flip and switch. So on your notes, it should say rule. The rule for this is to flip and switch, and then you multiply and simplify. Oh, I love it when things rhyme. Okay, so flip and switch, multiply and simplify. Let's look at an example of what that looks like. So let's say we have 4x over 15. And we are going to divide by 2x cubed over 30. Okay, so flip and switch. So we're going to take our 4x over 15 and we're going to leave that. We're going to flip this over to 30 over 2x cubed and switch to multiplying. Now, we talked the other day how you can multiply this through, or you can kind of start simplifying first. These are pretty straightforward, so they're not too bad. So I'm going to say 4 times 30 is 120x. And then in the bottom I have 30 over x cubed. So if I'm going to simplify 120 over 30, simplifies down to 4. And my x's, I'm going to cancel out 1x and then one of these x's, which is going to bring me down to 2x's, so x squared. All right, so flip and switch. Flip the second one, switch to multiplication, multiply, simplify. Let's look at a slightly harder example that you can put in your notes real quick. It's going to look like this. We're going to go 2x plus 8 over 21, and I'm going to divide that by x squared plus 7x plus 12 over 7x plus 21. Okay, so flip and switch. I'm going to just start by rewriting 2x plus 8 over 21. And I'm going to switch to multiplication, and I'm going to flip this thing over. But while I do that, I'm going to factor this out. So I'm going to take this 7x plus 21. It's going to go on top, and I'm going to factor out a 7 while I'm at it. So x plus 3. Now I'm going to take my x squared plus 7x plus 12. I'm going to put that in the bottom now, and I'm going to factor it while I do that. So let's see, that factors to x plus 3 times x plus 4. Okay, and then this 21, let's go revisit our friend 21 here. Can I rewrite this 21? How does that break down? Let's call that 7 and 3. And, oh, geez Louise, people, we need to fix this 2x plus 8. So we're going to take out this 2, and that's going to be an x plus 4. Okay, so multiply and simplify. We're going to start simplifying things. So I see a 2 here. Okay, I see an x4 and an x plus 4. I have an x plus 3 and an x plus 3. I have a 7, and I have a 7. Does anybody see anything else? Okay, so what do I have left over? I have a 2 over 3. So this, excuse me, so this is basically a multiplication question once you get through the flip and switch piece. And that's all there is to it. So you're going to add that to your notes, and you're good to go.